Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video of Facebook series, I'm going to be talking about how to sign out of your Facebook Messenger. Officially, you don't have any option to sign out of your Facebook Messenger. So let me show you. If I open my Facebook Messenger and go to settings, you can see that there's no option to sign out. You can switch account, but for that you should have more than one account registered in your Facebook Messenger, but that's not what you are looking for. So to sign out of your Facebook Messenger, you'll have to open settings in your mobile phone. Okay, then go to app management or apps applications, and from there you'll have to open Messenger. Okay, from Messenger you'll have to open storage usage or storage, and from here you'll have to clear all data of Facebook Messenger. Okay, I'm gonna clear this all data from my mobile phone. It's all done, and now if I open my Facebook Messenger again, okay, as you can see that this option I have to log in again to my Facebook Messenger. That means I'm signed out of my Facebook Messenger, so I have to register again. So that's how you can sign out of your Facebook Messenger. That's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.